No village shall be without a school, and no school shall be deprived of trained teachers, was the thought of the renowned social activist and educator in Maharashtra. The proud recipient of Padma Bhushan Award, the people of Maharashtra honored him with the subsequent Karmavir, that is, the king of action.
He is none other than Karmavir Bhaurao Patil, a strong advocate of mass education, the founder of Rayat Education Society. He started the first students' college in those days. Students had to travel from one place to another to reach school. And so, he took this initiative of starting hostels for the students, as education was their right.
The society those days was bounded by the evils of casteism. Mahatma Gandhiji himself blessed and motivated Bhaurao Patil to go ahead with the noble cause of education which he had taken in his hands.
Breaking the barriers of casteism, he strove hard and give equal opportunities to the students. My dear friend Anvay, do you know something remarkable is mentioned about Bhaurao Patil by Sachindya in his book, and that is Bhaurao Patil played an important role in educating the Harijans by coining the philosophy of earn and learn.
In short, the students of 8th, 9th and 10th can support their parents if needed by taking up part-time jobs and managing their own education from whatever they earn. A great thought process indeed. Earn and learn. Be confident, believe in yourself, stand strong in the society.
So Anvay, what is education?
Education is carving your own path, creating your own identity.
Yes, dear parents, here are the students of great faith thinkers presenting before you a vibrant performance dedicated to
Karmavir Bhaurao Patil.
मन शुद्ध तुझ गोष्ट हाय पृथ्वी मोलाची हा पृथ्वी मोलाची हाय पृथ्वी मोलाची मन शुद्ध तुझ गोष्ट हाय पृथ्वी मोलाची तू चाल पुढं तुला रगड्या भीती कशाची परवा बिकुनाची परवा बिकुनाची परवा बिकुनाची
झेंडा भल्या कामाचा जो घेऊन निघाला हा झेंडा भल्या कामाचा जो घेऊन निघाला अरे काट कुट वाट म्हणजे पोचती त्याला रगत निघल तरी बी हसल शाबास त्याची रगत निघल तरी बी हसल शाबास त्याची तू चाल पुढं तुला रगड्या भीती कशाची परवा बिकुनाची मन शुद्ध तुझ गोष्ट हाय पृथ्वी मोलाची हा पृथ्वी मोलाची मन शुद्ध तुझ गोष्ट हाय पृथ्वी मोलाची तू चाल पुढं तुला रगड्या भीती कशाची परवा बिकुनाची
औक्ष म्हणजे मोठी लढाई अन हत्याराचं फुलावाने घाव बिघाई
औक्ष म्हणजे मोठी लढाई अन हत्याराचं फुलावाने घाव बिघाई गळ्यामध्ये पडल त्याच्या माळी जयाची गळ्यामध्ये पडल त्याच्या माळी जयाची तू चाल पुढं तुला रगड्या भीती कशाची परवा बिकुनाची मन सुद्धा तुझा गोष्ट हाय पृथ्वी मोलाची हा पृथ्वी मोलाची गड्या भीती कशाची करू हवी कुणाची.
वाव, जोरदार यांच्यासाठी टाळ्या जाऊ द्या.